What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly pin any applications that you open on your Windows 11 PC to your taskbar, and this also works for Windows 10 as well. So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Let's say you want to use an application, and if you look at my taskbar here, you see that I have quite a lot of applications there, right? And these are the most frequent applications that I'm using, so it's very easy for me to get a quick access to them, keep my desktop clean, and just so I can easily open up those applications whenever I need. So if you're a person who don't like to have a lot of applications all over your desktop, or a lot of folders and all these things over your desktop, you can easily go ahead and pin those applications to your taskbar, the frequent ones, right, to your taskbar for quick access. So let's say I'm on Windows, just simply go ahead and click on the Windows key, and you can use the Windows key on your keyboard or use your mouse to click the Windows logo on your taskbar, and you can find the application, right? So let's say I want to open, let's say I'm a frequent user of the Microsoft Store. Let's put it like that. I have it pinned here, but yet let's say I use it very often and I want to open it, right? I can also, so what I can do, I can simply go ahead and I can type in Microsoft Store, for example, and I can open up the Microsoft Store, right? And once I open up the Microsoft Store, you will see that it opens up and show on your taskbar. So what I can do now is easily right click on the icon on the taskbar, and you will see the option that says pin to taskbar. So you can simply go ahead and pin it there, so whenever you close it, it's still there but it's closed, so you can easily access it and open it next time from here. Very easy and very simple. So next time you want to open up the Microsoft Store, whichever application, you don't have to really go there anymore. You can simply go ahead and find it from here. You can also pin it to start as well. So as you see, I have it here on the start, and I can pin it there as well. So you can simply go ahead and search for application. So let's say I type in the Microsoft Store as well, and if you right click on it, you have the option to pin to taskbar as well, and also to pin it to start. So there are two ways you can easily do it, guys. You can, let me unpin it from here so that you can see it. If I go back and I search for the Microsoft Store, you can see that I have the option here to right click, and I can pin it to the start directly if I don't have it open yet. And I can also pin it to the start menu as well. So I can pin it to start. It says unpin now because I have it there pinned, and if I didn't, it will just show me that I can pin it there. So you can open up, you can find any application which is in Windows, and you can pin it to the start bar, or you can pin it to your taskbar, right? So you can easily do that. So let me go ahead and find, for example, another application that I don't have pinned. Let's see, I don't have this Aomi Backuper application, so I can do this. So Aomi. So as you can see, I have a backup up here. If I right click, you can see it give me the option here to pin to start and pin to taskbar. So let's say I don't have the application open any at all, and I want to pin it, pin to start. See, and it's now shown here on the lower taskbar that I now pin it. And I can right click and I can pin it to start as well. So let me go ahead and pin it to start. And the next time when I click the taskbar, you can see that I will have it here. If you pin it to start and you're not seeing it here, you just need to click these two arrows on the right hand side to go down, and you will see it. And you can easily move up applications from the lower to the upper, right? It's very easy. Just simply go down and you can grab that application and you can move it all the way up. You will see that when you put it up to the top, the center, if I go down, you see that there's an arrow, right? So if you're down, you can put it up towards this arrow here and it will move it upwards, and you can position it wherever you want and just let it go, yeah, and it will be in that position. So this is how you can easily move around those applications that you pin to start and you have them to the top. But guys, in a nutshell, that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.